If you're still throwing your avocado seeds away, then you really need to stop. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very potent, strong hair growth spray that actually helps to boost hair growth, stop hair breakage and shedding, and get rid of dandruff or fungus on the scalp. This avocado seed is also very good for the skin. You don't want to miss out on this video. Stay tuned to the end so you will see how to make it the right way, because when you make it the wrong way, it comes with bad reactions. Alright family, let's get started. So our first ingredient is the avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-packed fruit that has several health and beauty benefits, but for today's video we're going to be focusing on the hair benefits for avocado. Avocado is one fruit that is rich in healthy monosaturated fats, that's oleic acid, fiber, vitamin E, C, BK, and minerals like potassium. And they are also rich in fibers, because this is one fruit the doctor recommend that you really take every day. If not every day, at least make sure that you do not skip taking the avocado fruits in a week. Okay, so we are going to be using these avocado seeds. The flesh of the avocado itself has a lot of amazing benefit that it does to the hair, but today we are going to be using the seeds. So if you have avocado or you get avocado, do not throw any part away. Maybe it's just the skin you should throw away. So before we use this seed, I would advise you wash it and we sun it so that it can dry, and we can take out the outer layer of that covers the seed, so that we can properly use it the way we want to. So I left it for like an hour or two so that it can dry properly. Okay, because this is something that we are going to infuse with water and other ingredients. So you want to make sure that it dries properly so that bacteria are not introduced to it early. So avocado seeds work to improve hair health through a unique combination of antioxidants, fatty acids, and essential vitamins. Okay, like it contains polyphenols and flavonoids. Those are the antioxidants that are inside it. This compound works by neutralizing free radicals caused by pollution and UV rays, therefore reducing stress on the scalp. They help to safeguard the hair follicles from premature aging and shredding. So grating your avocado seeds actually helps to open up the surface area and extract more of these compounds into your liquid. This is not a miracle solvent, it is a nutrient-rich base. These seeds contain natural plant chemical called tannins and phenols, like I said earlier. So that is why when you grate it, these chemicals react with the air and turn red or orange. It could even be darker than this, okay? But if you are trying to explore this and your avocado seed is not changing color, it's just looking light the way the seed is, then there is something wrong with the avocado. You know, one beautiful thing about these avocado seeds that we've grated is that, when you turn into a spray and you spray directly on your roots and massage it, the micronutrient, especially the folic acids that these seeds contain, and the vitamin E and zinc are absorbed directly on at the follicle level. Because if your hair follicles is weak, there is nothing you can ever do. Your hair will not grow. But these seeds will actually help to trigger the active growth phase on your hair and make it stronger and make it able to last longer. So the next ingredient we are going to be adding is cinnamon stick. This recipe will not take a lot of ingredients, just few ingredients, 3 ingredients, and you are good to go. So the second ingredient is cinnamon stick. Like I said, you want to make sure that you are watching this video to the end. Watch it till the end so that you do not make a wrong recipe. Because if you make it the wrong way, you would get poor results. You could even get a reaction when you make it the wrong way. Now let's move to the cinnamon. The cinnamon main compounds are cinnamaldehyde, polyphenols, and cinnamonic acid. I'm going to leave the names on the screen. This helps to support scalp microcirculation, which deliver nutrients to the hair follicles. So if you can see, these nutrients also work hand in hand with the avocado seed and it has anti-inflammatory properties that actually help to keep the scalp cleaner and calmer, and it provides a warm scent and gives a very comforting and warming sensation. It also helps to boost the hair follicles. So right now you can see I've transferred my grated avocado seeds into a container, and after adding it into this size bottle container, I'm going to be putting the cinnamon stick inside the container. You can see this is me showing you my hand. My hands are quite stained, and you can see how the avocado seeds have changed colors. All right, next I'm going to be adding the cinnamon stick into the container. I'm going to be adding one because cinnamon can be very sensitive to this scalp if excess is added. So the next ingredient we are going to be adding is cloves. Like, this hairspray is incomplete without cloves. The cloves main compound is eugenol plus other essential components. It has anti-inflammatory and also antimicrobial properties that actually helps to balance the scalp microflora. It also supports scalp health. So this spray actually helps to target people that are suffering from scalp damage or poor hair growth. It actually helps to correct that. So sorry, I think I missed out on the video where I actually poured the hot water into the container to cover it so that the ingredients can actually break out and infuse properly. I did not double boil it. I poured the hot water into the container and covered it and left it for about 2 days to infuse properly. So I actually kept it in my refrigerator. So that's why you can see that it's a bit cold, and it's looking cool. So this is how my spray looks like after leaving it for about 2.5 days. Okay, I was not let to for like 3 days. Okay, 2.5 days for it to properly infuse very well. So the next thing I'm going to do is to strain the water with a sieve so that I can get my hairspray. So you want to make sure that you look at your liquid, what you've gotten. You want to make sure that the water, or it's looking clear and lightly tinted. If you see a mold or something that stick together, or it's looking too thick and slimy, please throw it away. It has already been contaminated, yeah, with bacteria and all. And the smell, you want to make sure that it has a pleasant cinnamon clove aroma. If it smells off, please do not use it. And before you also use this, I would say you try out a patch test. Sorry, carry out a patch test, and after 24 hours after using it, if it doesn't give you a negative reaction, then it's a go-to for you. You can also add like a glycerin extracts, to it a little, but try to avoid high concentrations directly on the scalp, and always try to dilute it appropriately. Everything still boils down to carrying out a patch test to see how it's good for your hair, if your hair can withstand the ingredients. So you see, right now I'm turning my spray into my container. Okay, I think that has a residue. Next time you want to make sure that you use a cheesecloth, okay, so that you don't have any residues of the avocado seeds in your spray. Okay, so guys, we've actually come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. God bless you. God bless you so much. I'm pretty glad you actually found this video really helpful. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share to friends. Trust me, they're going to find this video really helpful. We've done a whole lot of amazing videos. I also did a video on where I actually incorporated avocado with egg, how to eat it and all. So trust me, don't want to miss out on it. Also check out our previous videos, okay? And after this one, do make sure you turn on your notification bell, because I'm going to show you guys how to actually make this avocado, how to use this avocado seed for the skin. So you don't want to miss out on any of our videos. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Thank you so much for joining me. And I would say, I recommend that this spray should last, from what I've made, at most a week or 2 weeks. But to make sure that it lasts longer, put it in the fridge, but it must not extend 3 weeks. All right, that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for joining, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.